From Home Warranty of America. We're 13 months home warranty. Today here with the titanium team. You know, we've been working with the titanium team for over 12 years, and we're one of the partners for the Home Warranty of America, basically doing the home warranty for Rudy's clients. And we're here to bring value, to bring able to help the client have a peace of mind when they close off escrow, to bring them a home warranty to help them with the normal wear and tear. If you do need any help, please give us a call. We'd love to earn your business. My number is 213-880-4085. And Home Warranty of America, your 13 months home warranty.
It's a great opportunity to bring value to Rudy's team as a title company, so we can provide a high level of service for all of the agents on the team in that, and providing a preliminary title report within 24 to 48 hours. That's going to help Rudy's process and help the vision of what Rudy's trying to accomplish. So it's all about us bringing Rudy value, and our value is going to be a customized preliminary title report that is given to the transaction coordinators in 24 to 48 hours.
Hi, this is Gov Hutchinson, a lawyer from CAR. I just spent some time with all the agents here, Remax Titanium, with Rudy and everybody. Very important stuff, because I'm telling everybody all about all the new laws and all the new forms that they really need to know about. So it's very important that you keep up on the latest law stuff.
Oh, the biggest thing is just the paradigm shift from understanding that it's not about me, it's about my client. It's about my customer and then my client. And to put them first in everything I do, and you'll see success come from it. It's been very beneficial for me because it's changed the way I look at a client and how I see him as a customer first, and then now as a client. So I'm really excited about what I'm learning. It's going to be very helpful for me.